Hi, welcome back. We're here live at the baby show at Olympia. We're at stand F50. We're here all weekend, and unsurprisingly, this is our wonderful food segment with the wonderful Katie from Nuttery Buttery. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Very excited to be here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this because I'm starving and love anything to do with like peanut butter or, we've just been talking together that we've got cashew butter as well. Not going to lie, we've been eating what we're about to show you how to make as well. So, we actually met about 2 weeks ago, wasn't it?
2 weeks ago.
A mother's meeting in central London.
Yep.
And got chatting. And, for guys that, because obviously this is a really new product out there.
Brand new.
Brand new. And, for guys that obviously are just hearing about this now, and everybody loves peanut butter and derivatives of. Yeah. How did this all come about?
So me and my friend basically have been obsessed with peanut butter for a very long time. And we just have always spoken about how much we love it, and we'd love to start our own business making nut butters. And then she got pregnant, and then 10 months later I found out I was pregnant. So we were like, should we do it as a maternity leave project? We'll have all this time, baby sleeps, got hours and hours throughout the day. Realistically, obviously,
that doesn't happen. But yeah, fabulous. It's always a nice idea.
So we still pursued it. So I think we did our first market when Violet, which is my daughter, was 3 months old. So we were out in the winter with both our babies kind of strapped to us, doing markets, selling our nut butter. And then we realised there was kind of a gap in the market, or no one was really doing anything for babies. So there's nothing really targeted towards babies, and lots of research has come out recently about how it's really good to introduce nut butters or elements of nuts as early as possible to reduce their allergies in future. So I think they did loads of sort of research on this, and it's 81% reduction of nut allergies if you introduce it from 6 months.
That's huge.
Yeah, so it's massive, and obviously that's really good.
Yeah,
works, and it works for us, and that's why we went into it.
Yeah, absolutely. And I just been looking at, with your cashew butter, you can tell I've got like a bit of a favourite on the go, but it's 100% roasted cashews.
Yeah,
that's it.
That's it. So all our nut butters, so we've got 4 flavours: peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, and hazelnut and cacao. So they contain no added oil, no added salt, and no added sugar. So 3 of the nut butters are just 100% nuts, and then we have the hazelnut and cacao, which are more luxurious, treaty one. Yeah. Basically, I am obsessed with Nutella, and Nutella isn't great for you, even though it tastes delicious. So I wanted to come up with a sort of a healthier version for that you can have from 6 months. So it's got cacao powder in it, and it's sweetened with brown rice syrup as opposed to sugar.
Fantastic. Because I think this is so true. Everyone's becoming so much more health conscious, and also the introduction of becoming veganism and everything like that. I think obviously it's fantastic to be able to put that and filter that through from your own lifestyle into your child's as well. Because obviously, if you don't think it's good enough to eat, would you just open a jar of baby food without being the same sort of consciousness that you would have for yourself?
Exactly.
And especially when it's just 100% something.
Yeah, it's much
That's
easier.
Fantastic.
Especially when you're sort of tired and you don't want to trawl through all the ingredients and figure out what works for your baby, what doesn't. At least there's one ingredient. It's easy.
It's super easy. So what you're going to be showing us is a really super easy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm hoping it's super easy because I cannot cook for the life of me, and I've been promised this has been easy. A really nice recipe using some of your kind of products today, and of a really nice fun way to get.
Fun.
You promised me that even your child can join in and help.
Yeah. So we've got a few recipes that are on our website, and most of them are sort of 3-4 ingredients that you can do with one hand, which is quite easy when you've got someone attached to you. What we're going to make today is they're called cashew butter bliss balls. So kind of little snacks that you can have on the go, but also delicious for you to eat as well if you're feeling a bit tired or want something sweet as a pick-me-up. Yeah. So this one literally contains 3 ingredients.
Fantastic.
So the first one is dates. So it's half a cup of dates. You just need to blitz them first in the food processor. So I've done that now. So all we do is add half a cup of dates.
Fantastic.
Put that in. And then it's a quarter cup of shredded coconut.
Oh, lovely. And these are actually pretty easy. These are kind of supermarket jobs.
Yeah,
you see these
definitely.
all around, don't you?
And then, the most important is half a cup of cashew butter. So you just whack that in.
Stuff. I do kind of wish there was that kind of smell-o-vision thing.
I know.
Because honestly...
And I'm obsessed with cashews anyway. That's why I was like, well, one of the ones I'm going to have to do is cashew butter because I love cashews.
They're fantastic. They really are.
So I don't know if you want to give that a stir.
Oh, thanks. So Oh, I see.
Get in there.
The real arm work
Stir
here. All right, I'll give it a go. So, oh my God.
You're gonna have to,
I feel like this is embarrassing. I don't cook or bake or anything like that. So I just feel like I've just sprayed coconut everywhere. I feel like I'm doing this in a really cack-handed way.
So you just got to blend it in. I mean, if at home,
I'm actually sweating.
You can chuck it all in the blender.
Yeah, fabulous.
Make it easier.
So this would be super quick.
Here we're just working out our arm muscles.
Thank you. At the upper body strength of a kitten.
So once you're kind of
really blending that in.
That's all
I think that looks really good.
Yeah, perfect.
Fantastic.
Super simple.
There we go.
Yeah, and then
thanks for that, by the way. Yeah.
Literally all you do is take like a mouth-sized bite and then just roll it up.
I've got that. My hands are clean.
Yeah.
I hasten to add.
Yeah. So and then that's
roll it. And just like.
And then just roll it into little balls. It's literally as easy
like
as
a kind of
that.
simple, quick.
And then if you want to, I mean, they're pretty firm, but you can always pop them in the fridge just to kind of extra firmness. And then I like to just roll them in a bit of shredded coconut as well, but that's your preference of how much you like coconut.
Can you make these like the sort of night before?
Yeah, you can make them the night before. They'll last for up to a week, and you can pop them in the freezer as well. So
that's great.
If you want to pop them in the freezer and then needed a couple the next day, just take them out the night before, and they'll be fine.
Oh, fantastic. So
literally everything I make is really easy.
Yeah.
I don't have a huge amount of time.
No, and also I think it's unrealistic expectation for anyone to kind of go, oh yeah, I'm just going to quickly knock up this, and it's
bake a massive cake.
And also you don't want it to be hugely expensive either.
No,
this is really few simple ingredients.
Yeah, few simple ingredients, quick and easy.
Yeah.
And like a very sort of healthy energy boost full of protein.
Full of protein. Yeah, fantastic. And 100% natural. You know what's going in your baby as well as in you.
Yeah,
because these look fabulous.
And like you said, a lot of people are choosing to bring up their children vegetarian or vegan. So this is perfect for anyone doing that, and you get your protein through the nuts.
That's fantastic. And I think I had no idea about that whole allergy aspect either.
Yeah, I think it's a very new research piece that has been done, because I think people have initially shied away from nuts because of all the stories that you hear, and it's quite scary, and you wouldn't want to take that risk. I mean, if anyone obviously is concerned or has family history of nut allergies, it's always best to consult a GP.
Well, of course, and I think you would if you did have quite a severe history of that kind of thing.
Yeah, but I mean, having nut butters in the house is just a really easy snack.
Yeah,
because you can have it on toast. Make sandwiches.
I was thinking that actually.
Yeah, it's a really easy thing. We do overnight oats with peanut butter, so it's a really flexible.
And that's all on your website, isn't it? All kind of like some nice recipe suggestions and everything.
There's a different recipe for each nut butter, but they're all as easy as each other. So you can, what for one you can do for the other. Yeah. Whatever you've got in the fridge, really.
Oh, fantastic. No, and where are these available at the moment?
So our website, which is www.nutterybuttery.com. So the shop element goes live at the end of the month, so you'll be able to buy it online, and then hopefully soon we will be available in some shops.
Oh, fantastic. And also what's wonderful as well, they're going to be included in our competition bag as well. So we're going to be giving away the hazelnut and cacao and the cashew butter. Yeah. I mean, the one that's opened is mine now. I will be eating that. So, guys, make sure you do enter the Instagram competition, because we're going to throw these in as well. So, and it sounds like before anyone else, outside of your markets and everything else, these outside are going to be an absolute one-off. Exactly, or co-presenters, that sort of thing. I'm going to eat one of these.
Go for it.
Is that okay?
Yeah, go for it.
Great TV, I'm sure, but oh my god, that's delicious.
Yeah, it's a really lovely snack, and my daughter and my friend Sarah, her daughter Ivy, they're both obsessed with them.
Yeah.
So they're really easy ones. keep them on the go.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, a little Tupperware box and you're good to go.
Exactly.
If you don't eat them all before you leave the house, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Which
Or your
probably
husband
does
doesn't
happen.
dig in, which mine does.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much. That's fantastic. We're going to put all of the information, the recipe, and I mean the instructions.
Very complex instructions.
Yeah,
Very
absolutely. All up on the post on the video segment comments page. So so you guys can basically jump straight in and get going. But thank you so much. That was so much fun. I'm now going to eat all of these.
Thank you for making it for me.
Yeah. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be right back live from the baby show.